Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a vocabulary quiz. If you haven't watched the previous parts, make sure you do. I link them down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. Choose the correct answer to replace each underlined part. The baby cats are hungry. Do bring them some milk, said mother. Which word replaces baby cats? The correct option is B. Kittens. Question 2. The baby soiled the carpet yesterday. The correct option is A. Dirtied. Question 3. I bring my sick dog to a person who takes care of sick animals. The correct option is D. Vet. Question 4. The place where the horses are kept caught fire yesterday. The correct option is A. Stable. Question 5. The female fox was caught in the trap while going after the hen. The correct option is C. Vixen. Question 6. Many tigers have been killed to satisfy the greed of certain people. The correct option is B. Vibed out. Question 7. This species of elephant is no longer in existence. The correct option is A. Extinct. Question 8. A group of experts is looking into how the lion could escape from the cage and hurt visitors. The correct option is C. Investigating. Question 9. Many animals die because trees are being cut down. The correct option is B. Removed. Question 10. These attractive fruits remain untouched by animals, suggesting they may be poisonous and unfit to eat. The correct option is A. Inedible. Question 11. The baby boy cries when he hears the elephant's dash. The correct option is A. Trumpet. The baby boy cries when he hears the elephant's trumpet. Question 12. She was so excited about the party that she didn't dash that it was raining outside. The correct option is C. Notice. She was so excited about the party that she didn't notice that it was raining outside. Question 13. The teacher dashed angrily at the boys because they were very noisy. The correct option is C. Glared. The teacher glared angrily at the boys because they were very noisy. Question 14. The boys were attacked by a dash of bees. The correct option is A. Swarm. The boys were attacked by a swarm of bees. Question 15. Although it is raining, the horses dash as fast as on sunny days. The correct option is C. Gallop. Although it is raining, the horses gallop as fast as on sunny days. Question 16. If you disturb a goat, it may use its dash to charge at you, warned the zookeeper. The correct option is A. Horns. If you disturb a goat, it may use its horns to charge at you, warned the zookeeper. Question 17. The place is too small for the dash of geese. We have to look for a bigger place for them. The correct option is B. Gaggle. Question 18. You people are so noisy, like a dash of chicken, said Mrs. Sam. The correct option is A. Brood. Question 19. It is common for families to keep dogs and cats as their dash. The correct option is C. Pets. Question 20. When a hen dashes to her chicks, she is actually calling them. The correct option is C. Clucks. When a hen clucks to her chicks, she is actually calling them. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.